guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Sandra and today's video is going to be an empties video. Yeah, that means I will show you all the products that I've used up the last couple of months, and there are different products from skincare to hair care and makeup products. And yeah, I will show you my trash, but for a good reason, because I just want to tell you if I've liked the products or not and why. And so I just want to help you save money with this video. And just to know, only because I don't like a product doesn't necessarily mean that it's bad in general. It just didn't work for me. But yeah, if it works for you, that's totally fine. And yeah, I would say let's get started. And the first product is the Huchuan Wenhua hair mask from Lush. It's such a weird name, I still don't know if I pronounce it the right way. But anyways, this hair mask is especially for very dry hair, and it's supposed to give your hair shine and that it's easier to brush through. And at the beginning I was not sure what I should think about this hair mask because I'm really not the biggest fan of the smell. It smells like chai latte or something like this, and I don't like it. And so I wasn't sure if I should try it out, but at the end I did it, and I'm so happy that I did because this hair mask is so good. It makes my hair very soft and shiny, and it's just good. It's just one of my favorite hair masks because I can really see the difference when I use it and when I don't use it. And I use it normally about once a week or every 2 weeks. It depends on how dry my hair is, but it leaves my hair very soft, and that's the reason why I will definitely repurchase this one. I think I have already repurchased it. Yeah, it was in my last Lush order. So the next product is also a hair care product, and it's the Batiste Light & Breezy Fresh Dry Shampoo. And I really don't know how many years I've used dry shampoos from this brand, because I always go back to Batiste because they have the best dry shampoos ever, in my opinion, because they're not too expensive, but they are definitely worth the money. And what I especially like about this dry shampoo is that it takes away all the greasiness from my hair, and the scent is very good. It's a more lemon and very fresh scent, so not too floral. And the scent stays in my hair for about, I would say, 5 to 6 hours or sometimes longer. So if you're not that scent-loving person, then I would not recommend this dry shampoo to you, because I think this scent would drive you crazy. But I like it. And I also use a dry shampoo on my 3rd day here, because that's the day when my hair starts getting a little bit greasy, especially here above my ears and a little bit on the back of my head. But this takes away all the greasiness, no matter how greasy my hair is, because sometimes I've used it also on, I would say, 5th day hair, and my hair was pretty greasy, and after I've used that, everything was gone and my hair looked very fresh washed. So I would definitely repurchase this one, but not now, because I have something like a DIY dry shampoo that is a little bit more environmental friendly and a little bit cheaper, because it lasts forever, literally forever. So moving on to the next product, it's the Nude Illusion Loose Powder from Catrice, and I think that's my 3rd one. I use it now for about, I would say, 3 years, and I always go back to this one because it's just good. It does its job. It sets my places where I've put concealer on, and that's normally my under eye area, especially when I don't wear foundation and only concealer and mascara. So that's something that I use every single day when I go to work, because at work I only wear mascara and concealer, and it makes my concealer stay in place, last longer, and it doesn't dry out my under eye area. And that's something that I really appreciate, because my under eye area is 99% of the time extremely extremely dry. And as you can see, there is still a little bit left, but that's very hard to get out, and I think now it's time to throw it away. I've already repurchased another one, and I think that's a makeup product that I will always go back because it just works for me and my dry under eye area. And it's not expensive, it's very affordable. So now moving on to the next haircare product, and it's the Cynthia Sylvia Stout hair shampoo from Lush. And I know another Lush product, but I'm just obsessed with Lush products. I love their bath bombs and haircare products and everything, and it's supposed to give the hair shine and volume. So as you can see, I have no volume in my hair, and that was the reason why I decided to buy this hair shampoo, because I've tested out so many different hair shampoos that promise to give the hair more volume, and no, none of these products ever gave my hair volume. It always looked the same, and I really hope that this hair shampoo would do anything, or at least only a little bit, only a little tiny bit of volume, but no. Actually, no. My hair had no volume after I've used it, and another problem was that my hair wasn't shiny. It was a little bit drier than usually, and I really have to say that my hair is always shiny, even if I use very cheap hair shampoos, or no matter what hair shampoo I use. But with this, my hair doesn't look good, so that's definitely a product that I won't buy again. So next I've got the Vichy cleansing gel for sensitive skin, and I think that's my third one, and I always go back to this cleanser because that's, for me personally, the best cleanser ever. It removes all kind of makeup, even if it's waterproof, and I really love using it, especially for removing the mascara, because I've used a couple of other cleansing gels that don't remove mascara, not a single piece of the mascara, and that just annoys me because I want a cleanser that removes foundation, blush, mascara, my eyebrows, everything. After I've used it, my skin doesn't feel dry, but also not moisturized, but that's totally okay because I always use a moisturizer afterwards. And I think you can also use it on an everyday basis on your bare skin, just to cleanse it, but I only use it to remove my makeup, and that works very well, so I will definitely repurchase it. So now moving on to the next product, it's the Water Lily and Oil Shower Gel from Nivea. And it's just a normal shower gel, and I really like the scent. Oh, here's a bubble. After a couple of times when I've used it, I've noticed that my skin was a little bit drier than before. I don't know why, maybe it's just because of my skin or because of this shower gel, I don't know. Yeah, so it was okay for a normal shower gel, but I think that I won't buy it again because there are so many different other shower gels out there, and yeah, it did nothing special to my skin, so yeah, that's the reason why. So now moving on to the next makeup product, and it's the Curvitude eyeliner from Maybelline. If you've watched a couple of my makeup tutorials, you might have seen this eyeliner. I had it now for a while, and now it's time to throw it away. And I've really enjoyed using it, especially because of this shape here that makes it so easy to apply the eyeliner, and the color pigmentation was very good. But what I've just realized the last couple of times that I've used it was that the tip got softer than at the beginning, and that made it very hard to create a very precise wing. But I think that's okay because that was the end of the lifetime of this little guy here, but it lasted very long. So I can definitely recommend this to you, and I would repurchase it, but not at the moment because there are so many different eyeliners out there, and I have another favorite eyeliner at the moment that is not from the drugstore, but for a drugstore product that's very good. So next I've got this makeup sponge from BH Cosmetics, and I think I have this little guy here for about 1.5 years, and as you can see, it's not beautiful anymore, and I think it's time to throw it away. But Guys, I just love this beauty sponge. It's one of the best beauty sponges I've ever used because it was not expensive at all. It was so affordable. I think it was about 3 or 4 euros. And I love the color, by the way. And when I've used this beauty sponge, my foundation always looked so flawless and good. And I just love it. What shall I say? It's a normal beauty sponge, but it left my skin so flawless and beautiful. So I will definitely repurchase it when I see it the next time at the drugstore. But I can't find it at the moment. I don't know why. Maybe I have to look online. But I definitely need this again because, like I said, that's one of the best beauty sponges and affordable beauty sponges that I've ever used. So next I've got this Limatic Ultra Precise Brow Pencil from Catrice, and it's in the shade 30 Dark. And this is the brow product I'm wearing today on my brows. And okay, actually not this one because this is empty. I've already bought it again. And I really like this pencil because the color is perfect for my eyebrows. It nearly has the same color, and I think it fits perfectly also to my natural hair color. And it's supposed to be waterproof. Yeah, to be honest, I never had it on when I was swimming, but I had it on at summertime when I was sweating a lot, and I can definitely say that it's sweat proof because it stays in place and it's not running down your face when you go outside, and it has 40 degrees. And this eyebrow pencil has 2 sides. On this side it has a little spoolie so you can brush up your eyebrows, and on the other side it has the product. And I really like it because the tip of this pencil is very precise and very thin. The only thing that I don't like about this pen is that I really quickly use it up, and that's not just because I use it every day, because I don't use it every day, but it's just because there is not much product in it, or I just have the feeling that there is not much product in it. But anyways, it's not very expensive. So guys, now you've seen all the empty products. I hope this video was helpful for you. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!